it comes back to the theme I mentioned before, knowledge is power. Knowing your dimensions can help you not only pick the right box sizes, but pick the right modes of transportation. So for example, you may have particular pricing points within your agreement that are severely penal if you have an oversized shipment. Most shippers, for example, an oversized shipment, which was a nominal fee, 8 to 10 years ago, can now reach $200 for just that surcharge alone. But a lot of shippers don't even realize that the trigger at which the oversized charge hits. But knowing your dimensions can help you make sure that you're going right up to those limits without exceeding those limits. It can also help you negotiate with your carriers. It also can help you pick the right carrier when you are creating a shipment. So another example would be you may have a box that has a dimension of 24 inches on its longest side. Well, that triggers a surcharge with some of the postal consolidators that necessarily isn't there with a FedEx and a UPS. So even though it might be a lightweight box, but it's over, the 22-inch trigger of a surcharge, you should still go with FedEx and UPS to avoid that surcharge.
Yeah, and it also brings up something that Nod just said about once all the computer programs have done their job and they've packed everything inside the box correctly, and everything fits. Now the box is closed. That last check of getting it through that scanner and making sure that the box is the size that you expected, sometimes it's coming in really close to those measurements, right? And so if, like Nanad recommended, you've waited until that last minute to choose the carrier, it might recommend a FedEx or a UPS if they don't have a surcharge that the USPS might at that point, right? Which seems really weird because usually it's the other way around.
Right.